Welcome back, Grade 3 students, to your science lessons. Let's get back on track. We're going to start with a new unit, Unit 5, which is all about organisms and their environments. Previously, in Unit 4, we said that organisms are living things, and when an organism reproduces, the new organisms are called offspring. We also mentioned that organisms have traits, which are features that offspring inherit or get from their parents. Let's start this lesson by looking at this picture. You might say, well, these are birds. You're not wrong. These are birds, and to be exact, these birds are called zebra finches. If you look closer, you will notice that the feathers are striped in black and white, just like a zebra. Let's watch a video together about these beautiful birds to know more about them. The zebra finch is native to Australia and islands of Southeast Asia. The zebra finch's beak is adapted to cracking the husks of small seeds. Like most dry seed eaters, these birds need water to help with the digestion of seeds. Zebra finches are known for their ability to develop songs. Zebra finches make beeping sounds. Male zebra finches sing, but females do not. A young finch, particularly a male, will learn the song from his father. Each male has his own song passed down from his parent, which means they inherit the learning ability to sing from one generation to another. In this lesson, we're going to go deeper into nature and understand better the relationship between the environment and the traits of some living things, as well as what they've inherited from their parents. Now, we all know that plants need air, light, water, and nutrients to be able to live and grow. If you look at these two pictures, what do you think is different about these flowers in the morning and in the evening? Pause the video and think about this question. Then unpause it so we can continue. Well, in the morning, the flowers seem to be facing the rising sun, but in the evening, they face the setting sun. Either way, these flowers are still following the sun wherever it goes. We're going to watch a video together about a type of flowers called Arctic poppies that are known for following the sun. Arctic poppies. Arctic poppies are flowers that follow the sun. In the morning, the flowers face east, where the sun rises. By the evening, the flowers turn to face the sun's location in the west. Scientists are not sure why the poppies do this. Some think that the flowers need the heat from the sun to grow more seeds. The sun causes other plants to react in a similar way too. Can you guess which plant follows the sun as well and probably stole its name from it? If you guessed sunflowers, then you're absolutely right. Sunflowers are also flowers that follow the sun wherever it goes. We've said before that plants need air, light, water, and nutrients to be able to live and grow. But sometimes a plant gets too much or too little of something it needs. This can affect the plant's growth and how it looks. Factors in the environment may affect plant structures or traits. The environment is made up of all the living and non-living things that affect an organism. If a plant that needs more sun is planted in the shade, it may not grow as tall. Let's look at the photos of the plants. These plants were affected by the amount of light they got. Too little light can cause plant leaves to turn yellow and fall off, and too much light may burn the leaves. Sometimes nutrients in soil affect the color of flowers. These plants grow different colored flowers with more or less of certain nutrients in the soil. People or animals can change plants when they cut or eat plant parts. Cutting some plants keeps them small or makes them grow back bushier. Now, I have a question for you. If a plant has yellow leaves because it does not get enough light, do you think its offspring plants also have yellow leaves? I'm going to give you 10 seconds to think about this question, and then I'm going to tell you what the answer is. Well, no, the environment can affect the appearance of traits, but those changes would not be passed to offspring. Now we're going to match between some causes in the environment and what these causes can do to a plant. So we have the following: A. Hot temperatures, B. Nutrients in the soil, C. Too much light, and D. Cutting leaves. These are the 4 pictures that we have. Pause the video here and try to guess which letter goes to which picture. Alright, let's discuss the answers. The first picture shows a leaf that is probably burnt, and we said before that too much light can burn the leaves or change their color, so the answer is C. In the second picture, we can see colored flowers. We said before that some nutrients in the soil can affect the colors of the flowers, so the answer is B. The third picture shows plants that are dried out, which would be caused by hot temperatures, so the answer is A. And finally, the last picture shows a lawnmower, which humans use to cut grass, so the answer is D. That's all for this video. Tune in to the next video to know more about the animals and their environment in exploration 2.